Hello friends, today I have brought you the Byju's Early Learn program. I will unbox all the materials, all the things inside this box. I have registered Asim in this Early Learn program. So Byju has sent this box with so many materials and kit and pen and some activities kit. So I will unbox everything in front of you. Okay, chalo, let's do it. So this is the first box which I saw when I opened the parcel. So see, this is this first cover. It has a very beautiful palace like game where your kids will love to play. And see this, there are numbers which they will learn to count the previous number, next number while playing this game. Okay, so it's very nice, isn't it? I will even post one video when Asim will be playing this game and you will definitely enjoy it. Chalo, let's close this down and I will show the other things. So the next thing inside this box is the starter kit worksheets. See, this is Byju's first starter kit where see, there are so many activities. I'm so sorry to say, but Asim has already done it. I'm unboxing this box after 2 months. So that's okay. I just wanted to share with you this experience, this Byju experience. So let's do it. See, there are some 20 kits, 20 activities, 20 starter kit. They have sent this images, these games, these dotted lines, everything, so your kids will enjoy to do it and remember all the colors, all the animals, everything. So this is the first page. Okay, next thing is the main thing, the unique thing of Byju, the unique thing that Byju share with us. It helps your kids to learn so many things. That is Osmo. You must have heard about it. So Osmo, this is the reflector where these images will come in front of this Osmo and it will reflect all the things of this page on your that tablet, on your tablet screen. Okay, I will also share when Asim will be doing it. I will share that thing also. Okay, so this is the Whiz pen, magic pen that Byju share with your kids, that you can use to draw these lines, the colors, which these are the colors. Okay, so the next thing is, this is a card game. See, there are some 50 cards. These are the cards. These are the cards. There are different kinds of game, different type of questions, or any imaginary things, or this. See, one question is like, what do you think these kids are feeling? So here the kids need to guess the expression. This is a happy face, this crying face, this sad face. So it's like, it is very useful for your kids. So, and this game is related to the castle game, this castle game. Okay, so they have also shared the Byju has also shared how to play this game, and you just have to follow the rules and play the game. What I do is I simply ask Asim whenever he is free, whenever he is idle, I open this box and ask these questions. So he has to choose one card. Whatever card he chooses, I ask that question and he answers. This is how Asim gets to learn different things. It's useful. Okay, let's open other things. These are the stickers they have shared. Some A, B, C, D, capital letter, small case letter, all the Byju cards. These are these cards. Everything they have shared with us. You just need to open the box and play. Okay, the next thing is this tablet. Byju also gives you a tablet, costs some 15 to 20,000. I have received this Lenovo Tab M10 ST tablet in this box, which Asim uses to do all the Byju activities. See, this is the tablet which you need to set up. I have already done the setup things, and Asim loves to play the games, watch the videos, and there are so many activities inside this tablet they have installed. This is the front page. See, there is one Osmo Games, Disney Byju's Early Learn program, one Kids Space. This is Google Kids Space which I have installed for Asim. He rarely uses to play some kids games. Okay, so I will first open this Disney Byju's Early Learn program. Okay friends, this is the answer sheet which you will get inside this box for these card games which I showed you earlier. Suppose you don't know any answer, so you can check this page and get it. So that's it. I will share with you what's inside these games, Osmo Games and Disney Byju's Early Learn program tab in the next video. And also I have received another box containing some 8 to 9 books, activity books from Byju, that I will be sharing with you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.